In 2014, the creators of LEED, the world's leading framework for sustainable building, launched LEED Lab in Washington, D.C. and is now offered in 18 universities across the world, including India. Its goal was to better ensure a workforce prepared to properly implement LEED in 160 plus countries worldwide. Knowledge Institute of Technology in Tamil Nadu has taken a significant leap by introducing LEED Lab to India.
In today's world, because of global warming and other environmental degradation aspects, once the awareness is being created, we require a very trained, qualified and benchmarked manpower to carry out all these activities. So right from site preparation, building construction and during operation of the buildings.
Saving money is also equal to earning money. This LEED Lab concept teaches how to save water, how to save energy, how to save our resources. All department students have big opportunity. Once they get certificate from LEED, they can work for smart cities. They will have very bright futures, especially in India and all over the world.
LEED Lab utilizes the built environment to prepare students for competitive 21st century jobs to become green building leaders and environmentally aware citizens. Its content reflects insight from some of the world's foremost architects and engineers.
The LEED Lab is established in our KUT campus in the month of February. It is a multidisciplinary course in which mechanical students and civil students, totally 41 students were registered in this LEED Lab. We have covered in detail of energy utilization, water management and the recycling of materials. After completion of this LEED GA examination, our students will get the practice in the existing building in our campus, that is the Gents Hostel building. They will do the project in this existing building and submit the report.
LEED clearly lays out the guidelines in which a building should work on to become a green building. Once I master the LEED examination, I'll be able to certify the building and I will know what are the things the building should perform on to become a green building. So it is evident that there will be a boom in green industry and there will be need for more professionals in that industry.
The coursework goes well beyond helping students understand LEED and green building. It teaches valuable project management skills, including teamwork, problem solving, and project management. These skills are applicable to any professional field.
LEED Lab, in association with US Green Building Council, will definitely train the students on the high-end knowledge professionals, which in turn will make the country filled with a lot of energy conscious professionals. They in turn can make the country to progress better.